Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. So today I am going to do a swipe. It's going to be kind of minimalistic. I'm going to be using to swipe in some of the Australian FLOETROL mixture for the cell activator, but the colors I'll be using today, I have a few new Prizm pours, and the first one is Fandango, and I mixed it up and I already put it in a squeeze bottle. All my paints are mixed FLOETROL and water. So with the Prizm pours, I don't use as much FLOETROL. I use a little bit more water if I need to thin it. But they're kind of the consistency of the Deco Art paint, so you really don't need to thin them out as much. The next Prizm pour I'm going to be using is called Water Dragon. This is such a pretty color. The next one I have is Northern Sky. Isn't that pretty? If you can see it, it has like a purple shift to it. Yeah, it's very pretty. Next color I'm going to be using is Blick Aqua Green, bright aqua green. Another color I'm going to use is Modern Masters Venetian Blue. Then I have a little golden turquoise, Pthalo Turquoise by Golden, and a little Deco Art 24 karat gold. That's my color palette. I'm going to be using a white base, and I am probably not going to spin it out too much. I'm just using my spinner to prop up my canvas, and it helps to work with when you're swiping too. All right, so I hope you guys are all doing well out there. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. I get back to you pretty quickly. Here we go. Let's get started.
Feels like straighten up my bones and be a man. I gotta tear this wall apart to let you in. My friends say the time's running out, so take the chance. Make a move, 'cause the store won't stay open till the end. Won't you tear my world apart? 'Cause I know